Well, when the pollution in the national capital is at an all-time high, we are at Dwarka showing you something, an initiative that was done by the LG, which will help to curb the pollution. Here, if you can see, we are at the Dwarka, and this project, it represents Delhi's first static anti-smog drive that underscores DDA's commitment to implementing cutting-edge environmental solutions. Now, this strategically chosen 550 meter stretch from this road, that is 201 to 2024 in Sector 6 of Dwarka, it has been designated for this pilot initiative. This is the first time that something has been done. This installation, if you show you features, it goes from it is a 550 meter stretch. Now this has been designated, and this has installation features 14 existing electric poles, each outfitted with 30 misting nozzles positioned at a height of 3 meters. This comprehensive setup is also designed to maximize pollutant reduction and enhance air quality in this area as well. And even to the fact that there have been 4 large water tanks, each with a capacity of 5,000 liters, have also been installed by the DDA. And that these tanks supply RO treated water. You can see these are the misting misting agencies that have been put here, that features this nozzles also, that has, and these are installed in these 14 electrical poles from the till this 550 meter radius. And these tanks also supply RO treated water to ensure the effectiveness and purity of the mist. This system also incorporates sustainable practices by utilizing the resulting water waste also for road transplantation efforts, thereby contributing to the region's greenery and even environmental health as well. Now you can actually see and understand that this has been inaugurated yesterday. This project is a pilot project which was implemented by the LG, and this is Delhi's, rather you can understand that this is Delhi's first static anti-smog drive, which is it's a pilot project that has been that has been inaugurated, that has been introduced and installed by the LG to ensure that the rise in pollution that has been in the national capital can be curbed. This is a pilot project that has been done by the LG in Dwarka, and if this becomes a success, then they will try to implement in other places also in the national capital to curb pollution. Here also the air quality stands above 500 as well, and even in the entire national capital yesterday it went on an increasing number. Graph 4 has also been implemented, but things like this will help to curb pollution at least in one area of it. And this is since this is the first time Delhi has got a static anti-smog drive. This becomes very interesting to know whether this becomes a success, whether this will actually help in curbing pollution or not. This is me, Brian Adi Thomas, signing off with camera person Sudhir for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.